Mojo for Industry presents Power Talk, featuring DEHN at ELECRAMA 2025.
Hello sir, thank you so much for joining with us today. ELECRAMA is not only India's largest exhibition on electrical and power sector, but this is considered as world's largest exhibition in this particular field. Almost 1100 exhibitors are participating. They're expecting around 4 lakhs visitors. So I think that number we have already crossed, and we are meeting here on the very 4th day. So the energy is already flowing everywhere and on the floor of ELECRAMA 2025. I just wanted to understand from you now, Claus, that what's your perspective on Indian market for DEHN? Because you have been in this industry for a long time.
So our commitment to India as DEHN is pretty strong. We have a big subsidiary here. And I think we also enlarged our booth on the ELECRAMA this year compared to the last ELECRAMA. Also to give a little bit of signal that we believe in this market, and we are developing strong our customer relations over different segments where we are active in.
India is one of the fastest growing economies in the world. Right? We are serving the mega trends of electrification and decarbonization. India has a very ambitious program for renewable energies. This is our segment where we are successful. So data center as well, telecommunication. So all these growing, constantly developing industries is where we can contribute with our protection solutions. Not to mention the oil and gas industry. So India is developing all these industries, growing these industries. This is why we have invested in a significant research and development setup in India as well, for both the local market as well as for the entire group. So we believe in India, we believe in growth, and we believe in electrification and protection solutions for India and from India to the world.
From India to the world, so are you already making in India for the world?
We have solutions and products which are developed in India for global markets, not just for the Indian ports.
So what is the percentage you might be exporting to the other markets?
We're starting it right now. It's about the smart products that we developed with our own R&D here in India, that are suitable not only for the Indian market, but also for other markets. That are with some, let's say, smart approach. We're not talking about only SPDs, we're talking about other, like a smart decoupler and so on, that is developed in India, made in India, which is also worth for exporting to other countries.
Cool, that's wonderful hearing that. And China Plus One has become the talk of the town, of course. So in that context, do you see that India is going to be the next big market for you?
India is already a significant market, so it's not the next big market, it is a big market. It's already there. It will definitely grow, and we want to be here since the Indian market is a significant part in our growth strategy. So we are fully committed to India, to the local market development, and we will contribute with our knowledge and with our investments.
So today we see AI actually it's dominating almost every sector. So how DEHN is prepared for that particular waves of artificial intelligence, and how it's adding intelligence to its products?
We have to be smart where it is really contributing a benefit to our customers. So just the smart to be smart does not make really sense. So we, for example, have smart products and further develop smart products where products are monitored that are in some random places where it is maybe not easy to maintain or to approach, where we see a value when data is going to the cloud and is received in a central point, maybe in Delhi, if it's somewhere on an offshore activity, that is a real benefit to our customer. And this is how we follow smart, where it is benefiting to our customers' business.
So Boris, when you want to make India's for DEHN, that it's going to make for the world, what sort of investment you have in plan, and what sort of manufacturing expense and manufacturing footprint you have as of today, and how would you like to grow it further?
Yeah, I mean, we already have a small manufacturing footprint in India, and we are going to invest further over the coming years to to be more independent from global supply chains, of course, but also to have a local content coming from India. So we are currently working on that strategy to grow the base for local production and local integration in the Indian markets.
And any investment commitment to the Indian market to expand your manufacturing footprint?
I would say we heard the lion roar, make in India. Okay, we got this. It's well received. And we do the necessary to serve the market as a reliable partner moving forward into a bright future for India.
So, Claus, what's your message to the stakeholders in India, your customers, your potential customers, and of course to the team?
Well, first of all, our customers, of course, we appreciate our customers and we are thankful for the reliable relations that we have, the trust that they're giving us. It's a win-win. We are really counting on long-term customer relationships, so we're not in and out. We really have worldwide long-term relationships. And we are really moving forward with our customer into this electrified industry of full India. Our team, we have a great team. We have skilled people. So we are not, to say it very openly, we're not the cheap Charlie. We are not somebody who is just street smart selling something. We are selling solutions and they are, really designed to contribute to the protection or customers' reliability of their operations. And I think this is something where our team is contributing. And we have a good team. We are further developing the team. And this is, I think, the base for our success, is our team here, where we are quite proud of.
When you value long-term partnerships, when you value expertise and knowledge in the niche of protection solutions for electrical systems, whether it's lightning protection, surge protection, corrosion protection, and when you value quality and reliability, then DEHN is the right partner for you.
Right. So thank you so much, Claus. Thank you so much, Boris, for talking to us on the floor of ELECRAMA 2025. We're talking to Matt. So thank you. Mr. Samir, thank you so much for joining with us today. And we're at ELECRAMA 2025. So what are the key exhibits you have for this expo? And what sort of product, solutions, technologies you are bringing in this time?
We have been participating in ELECRAMA for good years, and just to give you a background about company is a German-based organization which is active in world for almost 115 years. And ELECRAMA is one of the biggest electrical fraternity exhibitions where we get to engage various DPCs, stakeholders into the industries, the key consultants, and also the end users. ELECRAMA has been a special event for us because here we are able to highlight and showcase our new developments and also our contribution towards the industry, because we then are from protection business. Protection always needs some innovations, some development, so that we meet up the minimum error into the field. And this year we have been seeing a very good footfall so far. In the 3 days, the third day is running on. It's tremendously huge. The footfall is very nice. Especially the quality of the footfall, I will say, is also commendable, because one is footfall, second is the quality. So it helps you also to give you an understanding, okay, what kind of people you're coming, so that you can have some networking for future businesses basically.
Right. So talking about the future business, so are you bringing in any new technologies in this expo? Any new launch or any product?
See, yes, I will not say one, but there are few. Then we have diversified our products. Now, there is a new buzzword, that's digital.
Right.
So everybody wants to contribute to digital era. So we into protection business has diversified our product and solution range to offer digital solutions, but yes, sticking to our main business frame, that is protection. So we have 3 products into digital domain for the protection elements, for your earthing, for power quality, and for your corrosion. So these are the 3 traits where we find there is a necessity, or the industry is changing to going digitalized So we also want to contribute to the awareness and also the monitoring of the protection by offering a real-time digital solution.
You are the chief sales officer, if I'm not wrong. So what sort of sneak peek you have for the year 2025? Because this is just the beginning of the year.
Before I answer this question, we closed the last fiscal year on a very good milestone. This year, with all new developments that you see across on our booths, we expect that we will be actively participating in the opportunities which India brings to us as the infrastructure growth, and we are aiming growth ratio of 20% this year. So VC is a very prominent year for us because there are lot many development you see in railways, in aviations, in infrastructure, in telecom industries. We have massive infrastructure growth from the government of India, and also talking about renewable energies. So India wants to contribute in all domains so that people find, yes, this is a good place to invest. At the same time, we can also become an export house.
Before we conclude, do you have any message to your client, your prospective client, your stakeholders, anyone?
We are in a very competitive market. India is a very competitive market in that sense. And one thing is for sure, that keeps us going is innovation. And I will say a healthy competition is a very good scenario or a very good base because it drives the innovation and it keeps you motivated to bring something new for the industry. So that's the key message for all my stakeholders and my industry peers, that let's have some competition, but a very healthy competition where we maintain the industry requirement, the industry standard, because we are into protection business, and that should be the bottom line. We said DEHN protects.
Oh, that's a very empowering message coming from Samir, who says that his company then is committed to make a safer India, safer workplace, safer place to reside, and contribute to India's infrastructure growth story in a greater way. Thank you so much, Samir, for joining with us today. It was great talking to you.
Thank you.
Bye.